In this video, I am gonna show you how to hide and then unhide files and folders on Windows 10. At first, create a folder. Click mouse right button, then new, then folder, and then give a name. Okay. Now copy and paste the photos, videos, documents, etc. that you want to hide. Okay. Now place the mouse cursor on the folder and then click the right button. Now click on Properties. And then check mark on the hidden option. Then click on Apply, then OK. Once again OK. As you can see, the folder is hidden. That's it. Now how to unhide? Open this PC and left top corner right click on the file. Now click on Change Folder and Search option. Then select View. Now check mark on the Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Then Apply and then OK. See, the folder is showing. Everything is showing here. Looks blurry, right? Okay, fix it. Once again, right click on the file and then click on Properties. Then uncheck mark the hidden option. Then click on Apply. Then OK. Once again OK. Now see. So today's video ends here. If the video helps, please subscribe the channel.